Hey y'all, good to have you back on the road with me. Welcome to Alency Traveling. If you're driving through or just curious what this stop's like, you're in the right place.
Today we're rolling into Casper, Wyoming, checking out the FlyingJ Travel Center and the area around it. Let's go for a walk and look around the place, see what it offers for truckers and travelers passing through.
Like if you've ever stopped here, drop your go to truck stop in the comments. And subscribe to Alency Traveling. We hit the good, the bad, and the ones in between every Sunday. This FlyingJ's got a decent sized parking lot. Good for around 75 trucks if you count the side and overflow. But it fills up fast by evening, especially with local traffic swinging through. Best to stop early if you can. Fuel islands are clean and well laid out. DEF at the pump and pay at the pump works smooth. There's also a CAT scale, so you can check your weight before hitting those Wyoming grades.
Inside, you've got the usual Pilot FlyingJ convenience store with snacks, hot food, and drinks. And right next door, you've got a Denny's if you're looking for a sit-down meal 24/7.
It's one of the better options around if you want more than roller food. Showers here are private and clean, with around 5 stalls last time I checked. You can reserve one at the kiosk or the app, and they'll buzz you when it's ready. There's also Wi-Fi, laundry, and a driver lounge if you've got some time to kill. Now, the area around the truck stop ain't bad. There's a Walmart and a few fast food spots a short walk away. It's not scenic, but if you need groceries or just want to stretch your legs, you've got options. Stick around, I'll show you something a little more interesting than just diesel and blacktop. Overall, it's a solid place to stop overnight. Clean, stocked, and trucker friendly. Just know it's a busy location, so parking's tight later in the day. So, that's the FlyingJ Travel Center in Casper, YY. Not perfect, but it's one of the better stops in this stretch of Wyoming. You've got food, fuel, showers, and a little bit of everything. Like if you've ever stopped here, drop your go to truck stop in the comments. And subscribe to Ulincy Traveling. We hit the good, the bad, and the ones in between every Sunday.